Species Diversity Assessment of Animals and Cibismo Pasagaw Campus. Location Line. Total Registration. Alopeus clavulinum is a small type of that belong to the family Actinidae. It is known for shell. This shell is commonly found in warm and humid areas where it can easily find the condition it needs to survive. It is typically found in tropical and subtropical regions such as the Caribbean, Southeast Asia, and parts of the Central and South America. Because of its adaptability, it has also spread to various parts of the world, especially in places with similar climates. The habitat of Apelias clavillinum is as usually under dry leaves, rock and wood. It prefers to stay in moist and shaded areas to avoid drying out. out. It can also be found in the upper layers of soil, particularly where there is enough moisture. This shell is also one of the species that easily adapts to areas affected by human activity. It is commonly found in gardens, greenhouses, plant nurseries, and agricultural fields due to the transport of soil and plants. Alopeus clavulinum is how found even in areas where it is not naturally native. Aside from being widely distributed, it also plays an important role in nature. It is a which is decaying plants and fungi. In the doing so, it helps in the natural recycling of nutrients in the soil. Although small and often unitized, Alopeus globalinum is an important part of the ecosystem it inhabits, and the right numbers it. The Satyrium sapium or herd streak plays a variable role in the environment, especially as a pollinators while feeding on nectars from flowers such as milkweed, buckshot, and cyanotus. It transfer pollen from one flower to another. This process helps plants reproduce and ensures the growth of new plants. The ecosystem healthy. Plants reproduction support biodiversity and contributes to food sources for other species. This butterfly also contributes to the balance of food chains as egg caterpillar in adult form are food for a variety of predators, including other insects. By serving as prey, Satyrium sapium helps sustain these predators' population and support the natural balance of ecosystem. In addition, the presence of Satyrium sapium can indicate the health of its habitat. Butterflies are sensitive to environmental changes such as pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change. High stable population of hedge herdstreak often means the surrounding area is ecologically healthy and well maintained. The butterfly contribute to beauty and a appeal of natural benefits. Ecocentrism and encourage environmental conservation. People are often inspired to the protect and preserve area where butterflies thrive, making this insect not but important also natural symbol healthy. and biodiversity.